Alright, it's Chris at Procrastinator's Garage. Got this 2500 HD Chevy I'm doing for the guy who rents a store. He lives here in the trailer park, rents a storage, unit's 2 doors down. He wants he just bought this truck a couple months ago. Got a really good deal on it, and buffing it out. I don't know, I got some crappy light here, but I buffed this section down to the body line there. Still some few deep ones. We got most of them out. Move over here and see if we can get you. This is before. I'm just using small 3M compound. Then I go over it with Swirl-X with the yellow pad on the porta cable. Been buffing it with this wool pad. This is just an Auto Body Master wool pad. It's pretty decent. But then I'm running out of compound, so I went down to where I get my supplies, CCS Distributing. They're here in Eau Claire, and she gave me a sample of this to try. It's real aggressive, heavy-duty compound. Formulated with advanced technology, removes deep scratches while imparting a high gloss finish. Used to remove 1,000 to 1,500 grit sand marks from newly painted or cured paints. Big Bite contains no silicone, so it's body shop safe. So yeah, we'll give this a shot. I'm gonna start on that rear. Well, I can't even set that up there. So yeah, I'll try it on this back section here and see how it works. So I'm gonna try and conserve the battery. Yeah, normally I tape everything off, but you put that tire black on the trim, so the tape won't stick to it. But I've just been wiping it off right away, and it's coming right off. So slightly damp rag, and you can usually wipe that off right away. So I'm gonna end this here, and we'll buff out this section quick and see how this heavy cut stuff works. So do another little before. See, we got some deep ones that are going, up and down. People reach over the box, throw something in. Yeah, I'm gonna get here. It's pretty good. But still not perfect. I did call them. You can see down here I didn't do yet, but I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera. But I'll just do the top part first and then go hit the bottoms quick. So alright, I'm gonna go. Well, I switched to the blue foam pad, and that Big Bite, this stuff right here. And get over here in the light, and get a good shot there. Not bad. He just stopped by the owner, so he was happy. This is the part I didn't do yet. So, got to see, what it looked like before. Still a few, I'll hit this spot in here, blend this all back in. But yeah, nothing else really new. So yeah, we gotta have this done tomorrow for them. So we'll get her done. Sorry, I ain't got much more to say. Can't think of nothing, man. Tired today. Yeah. So I'm just gonna shut off here. If I think of something, I'll turn it back on. But otherwise, everybody have a good one.